Hello everyone, I am Bhumika. In this video, we are going to see how to normalize context-free grammar to Chomsky normal form. For the production rule to be in Chomsky normal form, we need to follow three rules. These are how to eliminate the useless symbols and the elimination of epsilon or the E production and the elimination of unit production. We'll be going to see detail about these three steps. Firstly, we need to know about the production rule in Chomsky normal form. For the production rule in the Chomsky normal form should be if the ratio should if there is alpha tends to beta, then alpha should have only one variable and beta should contain either both variables or a single terminal, but not the format should be in like this. For considering some examples, I'm just taking this example how to convert Chomsky normal form. So firstly we need to take the example. As per we have considering this example by this one. Then again B tends to BC because of this. Then C tends to AB because of C tends to this one. Then considering for B, we are taking BC, and for this B we are taking BC and then A because B tends to BC. And then for considering again B, we are having AB, and for C we are directly writing this as B and then CA, as C tends to B and B tends to AB. We are seeing there is continuous B, means we are not getting any proper string, not any proper string. So here B is useless symbol. So eliminating B like this, striking out all the production rules which are having B. So finally we get the strings S tends to C, then A tends to A, C tends to B. In these three rules we have no any epsilon production. So no need of eliminating. So no epsilon. Rule 2 is also finished. Rule 3. Considering the strings, considering the rules occur in rule 2. What step 3 is, or sorry, rule 3 is elimination of unit production. So as we know, the production rule alpha tends to beta, where beta should have this format or beta should be this one or this one. In rule 2 we get S tends to CA, A tends to small a, C tends to B. So it obeys correct production rule. So no elimination of unit symbol. Here we can say B is useless symbol and we didn't get any elimination of useless or epsilon production or unit production. This is what simple example. Now we can consider the another example. This is what this for the rule this we are getting for A we can write AAB because of this, and for B we can write BBA because, and we can write for A directly we can write epsilon because A tends to epsilon, and then A tends to AA BBB. So we are getting a proper string. So no elimination of useless symbol. For rule 2, we are considering the following rules, same rules, because there is no elimination of useless symbol. In the rule 2, we need to eliminate this epsilon production. So we are having the epsilon production. So we need to replace the value of epsilon. We get the following strings. In the place of A we are supposed to substitute epsilon. So we are getting only B. In the second we don't have any. Then A, B. As we are eliminating this one, we are not considering here. B, B, A. In the place of A, we are substituting epsilon, so we are getting B. So all the final strings are this tends to A, B, this tends to B, so then this tends to A, B, A to AAB, B to BBA, then B to BB. So we eliminated epsilon production. These are the following rules which we need to do in the third step, which means the third one is elimination of unit production. As we know, where beta should, for the beta we need to have this, or we need to have BC. The following strings which we have obtained from step 2 is these are all the following rules which we have emerged from step 2. Now we need to modify this to convert all these rules into CNF, which means Chomsky normal form. So this is in the Chomsky normal form as the production rule. We need to modify this. Same, we need to modify. So we are assuming BB as example to C. Here we can write this as BB to C and then A. This B is there here, so we can rewrite this as S tends to directly CA. Now this we have modified and this we have modified. Assuming C is finished. Now assuming another one D as A. Now we can rewrite the rule as capital D and capital B. This is also modified. For single B, we can assume like this and we can rewrite the string as, we can keep this as F. We can rewrite the string as F. This is what caps F. Now for the same B can be assumed to here and we are rewriting the string G tends to small a and we can rewrite the string to caps A tends to G to F because we are assuming this B, single B as F, so we can rewrite the B as F. So finally we are getting all the production rules in CNF. They are S tends to AB, S tends to CA, S tends to DB, A tends to GF, B tends to CA, B tends to FF. So we have getting the format as we described in the production format. So we have converted all the given rules into CNF. This is what the reason. Thank you.